with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
Eating breakfast is one of the most important steps you can take towards a healthier lifestyle. People who eat breakfast find it easier to manage their weight, they eat less fat, and they have higher intakes of certain vitamins and minerals.
For breakfast, choose foods in 3 of the 4 food groups. An example is having cereal with a glass of milk and fruit. Now, depending on the cereal that you choose, it can also provide you with a source of fiber. Most health professionals recommend an intake of 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day. For kids 3 years and older, use the guide Age Plus 5. So if your child is 10 years old, he or she should be getting 15 grams of fiber per day. A bowl of cereal is still an easy and convenient way to increase your fiber intake. Some cereals contain soluble fiber, such as ones with psyllium. Soluble fiber like psyllium helps in controlling blood sugar and lowering cholesterol levels. Other cereals contain insoluble fiber, such as wheat bran. Insoluble fiber naturally promotes regularity to help keep your colon healthy. In general, fiber is important to feel fit on the inside.
So use breakfast as a time to gradually increase your fiber intake and drink plenty of water throughout the day, since fiber needs it to work at its best.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.
BodyBreak.
Thanks for watching this video.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BodyBreak channel for more awesome videos.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.